Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. So I'm going to style Eniola's hair. She has a style in mind, and in order to stretch her hair we did African threading, and this is African threading. For those of you that don't know what African threading is, we used a rubber thread, and it's just like a plastic, and what she's just doing now is taking it down. It's so easy to take down. You just take at the end of the hair, you release the thread and you just unwind it. So using African threading method is a way for you to avoid using heat in the hair. So we're going to take this down and then we'll start doing this style.